Welcome to WORxK Global News, your ultimate source for empowering insights and actionable strategies to help professionals and organizations thrive. Today's highlights include key stories that span career advice, Changemaker interviews, and workforce development. In career advice, the top 5 job search mistakes to avoid and how to fix them. Dives into common pitfalls that can derail your job hunt, from neglecting to tailor your resume to failing to follow up with employers. This article provides practical solutions to ensure your job search is both effective and efficient. As part of the Changemaker interview series, Catherine Holt, a champion for DEI, resilience, and women's leadership, profiles an inspiring leader making waves in diversity, equity, and inclusion. Catherine shares her journey, her commitment to fostering resilience, and her strategies for advancing women in leadership roles, making this an uplifting read for changemakers everywhere. Under diversity and inclusion, McDonald scales back DEI initiatives amid legal and cultural shifts, explores the challenges and decisions influencing corporate DEI strategies. This article provides insights into the shifting landscape of diversity efforts and the broader implications for businesses navigating legal and cultural pressures. For global trends and politics, Airfare Falling in 2025 examines the factors driving declining airfare prices. From increased competition to technological advancements, this piece highlights how travelers and the aviation industry are adapting to a more budget-friendly era of air travel. In organizational culture, 5 questions to ask about corporate culture offers a guide for evaluating workplace environments. Whether you're a job seeker or a leader aiming to improve organizational dynamics, these questions can help uncover the values, priorities, and practices shaping a company's culture. For training and development, from good to great, how coaching can help you take your career to the next level emphasizes the transformative power of coaching. This article explores how personalized guidance can unlock potential, enhance performance, and drive career growth, offering valuable insights for professionals at all stages. Finally, in workforce development, Generation Z and the Workplace explores the unique values, priorities, and challenges of Gen Z employees. This article provides actionable strategies for engaging and retaining this dynamic generation, from promoting flexibility to aligning roles with purpose and technology. These stories exemplify the mission of WORxK Global News: to deliver insights that empower individuals and organizations to lead, innovate, and grow. Stay inspired as we help you write your prescription for success. Let's build a brighter future together.